In this lecture, we are going to discuss the next topic, that is our expressing in standard form. Now see what is the meaning of standard form. Suppose if the data is given very big in a very large amount, so you can't able to say the data. So in that case, we express the data in the form of exponential format. Suppose the diameter of the earth is given. So diameter of the earth is very large. So we can't express. So we can write that value in the form of exponent, and that type of data are known as standard form. As definition, you can see a number is said to be in the standard form if it can be expressed as k into 10 to the power n. Always the base will be 10 and whatever will be the power, that is depending on the data given, where k will be a real number and value of k will lie between 1 and 10 and n will be your positive integer. So this is the definition of standard form. Now how you can express the values in the standard form? See the example. Suppose the question is given as 2705694. As you can see, the data is very big, so we have to express this in the standard form. So what we do here, we always take one value and put a decimal point. It means the decimal point will be always after one value. Then we write here as 705,694. Whatever value is left, we will write after the decimal. Multiply 10. The base will always be the 10. Now see the power. You will count all the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whatever the values will be after the decimal, that will be your power, and that is the answer. So this way we will express the values in the standard form. Now see one more example. It is given as 4275000. Now we have to express this value in the standard form. Again we take here 4, put a decimal point. Decimal point will be always after one digit. Now 275. Whenever the value 0 is given, in that case we don't write 0. We will only write the value till the digits. Multiply 10. Power will always be 10. Now count the number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros, 5, 6, 7. So total number are 7. So power will be your 7. So this is the method to express the values in the standard form. Now let us do some questions based on the standard form. Now see, first question is given that express in standard form. Question is 64264280000. Question number second is 94. Now we have to express these both values in the standard form. So how we'll do? Just see very carefully. First of all, we write here 6. Always the decimal will be after one place. Put decimal point, and 4, 2, 8. We will write the numbers till digits. We will not write 0. Multiply 10 to the power. Now power will coming. Power you will write by counting all the numbers after decimal. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. So answer will be your 6.428 into 10 to the power 6. See this question, 9.4. We will not write 0. Multiply 10 to the power. Now count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this number also you will count, that will be your 10. It means the power will come, that is the counting the number of zeros plus the digits that is after the decimal. Now let us do some more questions. In this question also we have to express the value in the standard form, in which diameter between Earth and Moon is given as 384,000,000 meter. Now we have to write this value in the standard form. Again we will write here 3.84. Decimal will be after one digit, and we will write the numbers till the digits. We will not include the zeros. Multiply 10. Base will always be the 10. Now power will be counting the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total number will come as 8. Now second question on this will be your present age of universe is equal to 1 to now you can see that this number is very large. So we have to express in the standard form. So simply we will write here 1.2 into 10 to the power, count the zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and this number will be 13. So present age of universe will be 1.2 into 10 to the power 13 years. Now next question is, we have to write the values in the expanded format. Write in expanded form. First question is given as 684,502. So we have to write the numbers in expanded form. In expanded form, we write according to the place value. We multiply the numbers according to the place value. So first of all, we take from here 6 into, but we will not write 1 0 0 0 0 0. We have to express in the exponent form. So what we will do here, 6 into 10. Base will always be the 10 to the power. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what will come here? 6 into to the power 5 plus 8 into 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 to the power 4 plus 4 into 10 to the power 3 plus 5 into 10 to the power 2 plus 0, no need to write, 0 into 10 to the power 1, and at the last plus 2 into 10 to the power 0. Second question is given as 58,07294. We have to express this number in the expanded form. Again we write from here 5 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 8 into 10 to the power 5 plus 0 into 10 to the power 4. No need to write because 0 is there. So we write 7 now. 7 into 10 to the power 3 plus 2 into 10 to the power 2 plus 9 into 10 to the power 1 plus 4 into 10 to the power 0. So these are the numbers in which we have expressed it into a standard form. Next, the question is given. Your question is given in the expanded form, and we have to write the numbers in the numeric form. Suppose question is given as 6 into 10 to the power 4 multiply 3 into 10 to the power 3 plus 0 into 10 to the power 2 plus 7 into 10 to the power 1 plus 8 into 10 to the power 0. Now this number is given in the expanded form. We have to write in the standard form. So simply we start from here 6, 3, then 0, 7, 8, and this will be your answer. One more question see on this. 8 into 10 to the power 5 plus 6 into 10 to the power 4 plus 4 into 10 to the power 3 plus 2 into 10 to the power 2 plus 9 into 10 to the power 1 plus 6 into 10 to the power 0. So again, first of all start from 8, then 6, 4, after that 2, then 9, at the last 6, and this will be your answer. So this is all about your chapter exponents. In this we have studied about the laws of exponents. We have studied how to solve the questions based on the laws, and also we have studied how to express the numbers in the standard format. So this is all about your chapter number 5, exponents.